Hello, this is an instructional video for Thursday, March 17th. In our main page of Schoology, you want to scroll down to Unit 2, Getting a Job, then open Module 8, and come down to Day 4, March 17th. Let's start with the sync folder. We're going to review author's purpose here. So we'll look through this information that is a quick review of author's purpose. Then we will go here to look at these 6 paragraphs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each group will read one paragraph and decide whether it is the purpose to persuade, inform, or entertain. Okay, so each paragraph has a different purpose, and you will decide which purpose your paragraph has. Also, we will review this Nearpod. We will learn about the 4 types of evidence for the One World project. Okay, so we will look through these slides about what is evidence, what are the 4 types, what are some examples, and then we will connect the ones that go together. So connect the fact with the fact, the anecdote with the anecdote. Okay, then we'll decide what kind of evidence is in this paragraph. What kind of evidence is this? What kind of evidence is this? And then we will play Time to Climb, where we have to get the right answers. And this will be the final part of the Nearpod. Let's look back in the sync folder. If we have time, we will look at the present perfect with time phrases. We will review this, and in slides 9, 10, and 11, we can practice making sentences in the present perfect using time phrases. In the evening class, we will look through our Spark article for this week, Building Experience, and we will preview those questions. Now let's look at the async folder. We have a cover letter activity where you have to use the present perfect. So you will read this cover letter, and every part that is highlighted is something where you have to conjugate. If it's in parentheses, you want to conjugate it to the present perfect. For this one, you want to decide if it's for or since. And then as you go down, you have to choose which one, how to conjugate. So if it's a verb that's highlighted, you must conjugate it into the present perfect tense. If it says for or since, that means you have to choose which one is right, for or since. These questions are fill in the blank, so you have to type in your answer very carefully. Use correct spelling, capitalization, and spaces. If one of these is off, then the computer will think your answer is wrong. Also for async, we have author's purpose. So you have to read the text and decide, persuade, inform, or entertain. Read the text, persuade, inform, or entertain. Read each of these texts and decide if the purpose is to persuade, inform, or entertain. For the evening class, you have a Spark Achieve 3000 article, which is Building Experience. That is the final activity for today, Thursday, March 17th. Thank you so much for listening, and best of luck.